Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger, pushing each other to the limits. We were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. Always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me, cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. Smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was writing about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old.
Roll as a unit.
Oh my God! My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys will give me some stay like seeking glory. Some I had to leave behind, my brother, I'm still sadly. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61, remember life and then the life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I'm all the little ones. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old.
Alright, blue team. Let's see what you guys got right.
Slide it up. Slide it up.
She can slide.
Not like that. Slide it on the floor and slide it. Slide it up. Slide it up.
Alright, team, let's stop this.
Come on.
Whoever ready, you guys just pass that. The one here just passed over is Christina.
I thought you said Abraham. You're good. Yeah.
That's fine. We are the Bandits! Fire Bandits! Fire Bandits! Hoo-ha!
What team are we?
LIT! Lit!
What do we do?
Turn it up! We're shy, we're humble, we're sweet yet sour. We're yellow, we're minions, they want my no power. Ah! 1, 2, 3. Here we go, Lucky, here we go. Here we go, Lucky, here we go.
We will, no
I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who is a part of this year's 29th Higher Education Conference, all of the sponsors, coordinators, staff, mentors, volunteers, and students played a major role in making this year-long vision a reality. In organizing this event, my hope for the students especially is that you were able to take away tangible skills and resources to more confidently pursue higher education. So whether that was through a speaker, a mentor, an activity, or a friend, I hope that you're able to build lifelong bridges that will help you get from where you are now to where you want to be in the future. Know that there are those who see the potential within you and are genuinely rooting for your growth and success. I thank you for giving me this privilege to share this opportunity with you all, and I wish you the best of luck in your future endeavors.